Good morning. This is the 0DTE morning market analysis. It is Friday, February 28th, and volatility is lighting up. That's for sure. And we've got some fantastic trades to take advantage of it. We got the big ass fly on deck. Join us in our school community and you'll find out how to take advantage of that. And now we're going to get to the morning market analysis. The focus will be on that volatility and how we can take advantage of it. But first, we got to get to the charts. Got to find the button. There we go. So this morning, the volatility has climbed. It is sitting at around 21, solidly in the Goldilocks zone. That means that we're looking at out of the money butterflies, 25 to 35 wide. Now, we make sure the debit on those flies is never more than 10% of the width. So, for instance, on a 35 wide fly, we go to $3.50 or less for that fly. All right? And let's take a look at the big ass fly to see exactly where on the range should we be. 30, 35? I'm going to guess we're going to be 35 wide today because I think the big ass fly is really heating up. It's super low debit. Let's go to that. There we go. Oh yeah, under 15. You don't see that too often. So now you have a a risk to reward that is extremely enticing. Super wide break evens. Excellent opportunity, lots of premium to collect, super low gamma. All right, so it's at 14.8. Let's go back to our VIX. And we can see that on our scale, on our debit scale, 14 is down here somewhere, man. Well, we are definitely 35 wide. I always lean towards the higher side anyway, but this sort of confirms it. So we're going with much wider flies today. All right, let's look at the market direction. So we have a bearish bias. That means we're putting on out of the money put flies. Now let's take a look at the entry levels. I haven't even drawn them in yet. So we're going to go between 9:30 and 12:30 as our target time to enter. And wow, boy, I'm way behind the gun. I haven't drawn these in. That gives us an opportunity to actually do that. Let's. So we do have. If we can pull up to the bottom of this this volume node right here, this would definitely be one of those places where we could take an entry. So we'll be looking if we find a divergence and good resistance here at 59.34. That's where we would take the trade. Otherwise, we need to go to a much larger chart and realize that market structure. So we go way down there. Right here is an entry point. We need to mark off this node down here. That would be the bottom. I would say right about there would be the top. All right, let's find the intranode levels. Right there and there. All right. I have a feeling that there's something right here. Yeah, there is. One more line. Now you're wondering, what the hell is he doing? What I'm doing is I'm finding the edges of profiles where the volume goes from heavy-duty volume to very little volume, and also these deep crevices. All of those are going to provide support and resistance. And so this is how we identify support and resistance in an objective way, as opposed to using some of these technical analysis methods, pivot points, and all these other things, moving averages. They're all bunk, in my view. This is how a professional looks at it. This is how institutional traders look at it. This is how you should look at it. If you want to learn more about how to actually analyze volume profile, then join our 0DT Academy. Well, let's just go and zoom in on this, and I'm going to explain what you're seeing here. But before I talk about that, let me just say, you got to stop wasting your time and money with mediocre trading advice. You got to join the 0DT Academy, your all-access pass to institutional level options trading for just $35 a month. You're going to learn asymmetric butterfly strategies, master risk management, and get live weekly coaching directly from a former fintech chief architect, that would be me, and a 100 million plus hedge fund manager. Again, that would also be me. With a complete training library, elite trading resources, and a professional community at your back, you're set to target bigger profits with lower risk. Elevate your trading game now. Join the best value options trading community on the internet. The link is in the description. It's a fantastic value. You can't beat it. All right. Anyways, that's my plug. Now we're going to get on to the charts. All right. So you see that I drew these lines in at a much higher time frame. I couldn't see where these things were finding support and resistance. I just basically outlined my volume profile, did my analysis on it, and then zoomed in. So right now, I don't even need the volume profile anymore. I can hide it. And you can see how these lines have found support and resistance. As this price came down, it found support at the bottom of this volume node, right there, and came up to this inflection point here, which is actually a deep crevice, found resistance there. And you'll find that this type of analysis will tell you exactly where your pullbacks and pull-ups, where you're going to find support resistance in real time by analyzing this. If you want to learn how to do this, just join the Academy. It's not hard. So anyways, what we're looking for this morning is an indication whether or not we're going to do one of these pull-ups into here. We have a directional bias. See, directional bias this way. And so into one of these nodes, we're waiting for a divergence when it hits one of these nodes. So you can see here we have our divergence indicator. It tells us exactly where, whether or not that node is a likely point of reversal. And so we just wait. We wait and we hunt. All right? So it could be there. It could be here. We don't know. But when it happens, the indicator will confirm that is an event, and we'll take that trade. We'll put on a 35 wide out of the money butterfly. We don't want to spend more than $3.50. If we can get it for $3, that'd be awesome. And then we're in the game. And then it's if it goes in our direction, we manage that profit. That's the game. All right. So all good here. Let's go back to the big head. I didn't do that. Let's see. Come on, hit the right button, Ernie. All right, cool. All right, there you go. There's our vol check for today, and where we're going to be placing our trades. We're going to do a special today. We have every Monday and Friday we have a live coaching call in the Academy where I will talk about one of these topics. And today the topic will be on entry levels and how we actually determine them. So if you join now, you can be part of that discussion at 10 a.m. this morning. I hope you all have a great weekend. It's been a fantastic February for us here. Let's see, I think I did, well, February's not over, so today could change things, but currently my account is up 5.7%, something like that, which is like, average month. Typically on an annualized basis, I'm doing anywhere from 40 to 80%. And if you'd like to trade like that with no stress, because we take very, very small risks and we're chasing after very large potential profit. So we never really draw down. We're always staying within that comfort zone, waiting for those opportunities. We're probabilistic traders. You want to learn how to do that? Want to learn from a former institutional trader and hedge fund manager that has been a professional, unlike many of these other clowns that are out there on the interwebs? Join the academy. All right, that's it. Coach Ernie, out.